Alright guys, here it says that let the random variable x have the PDF and such is given, where 0 is less than x and less than 1 and 0 elsewhere. Now we need to find the probability of those four things. Now I'm going to use my calculator in this one. Basically TI-89, titanium, or 89 works the same way. So doesn't matter if you have any of them, of these 89. First thing I'm going to get is type F3 and click on number 2 to get the integral sign. Then it says that the probability that 0 is less than x less than half. Now first thing we know the function is 2 times 1 minus x, which I can just simplify as 2 minus 2x. And this I'm doing right now is actually how you're supposed to write it in your TI-89, titanium, or 89. Then, comma, where x, it says that x is from 0 to half, so x, comma, 0, comma, half, 0.5. Then close parentheses, and click enter, and there is your first answer, which is 0.75. So that's the probability that x is between 0 and 0.5. The probability that x is between 0.25 and 0.75 now, I'm just going to, I'm just going to erase some of them. So it says 0.75, so 0.7, I'll put it in front. Basically it's the same format, guys, don't worry, it's the same format. 25. Then you would click enter, and it says that it would be 50%. Then it says the probability that x is greater than or no, x is equal to 0.75. Now I'm going to tell you the answer is 0. Why? I'll show you here. So what do you think would happen if, because x is equal to 0.75 means it goes from 0.75 and stops at 0.75. So why do you think? It's just that 0.75 to 0.75 there is no line, it's just a dot, and which is so tiny that you can even see it anyways. So that's why will be equal to 0. So anything that is, if it says the probability that x is equal to a number, then it's 0 basically. So the last one says the probability that x is greater than or equal to 0.75. Now you may have the tendency of putting 0.75 and then to infinity, but no, it doesn't work like this. Why? Because here it says that if it's not between 0 and 1, then it's 0, because remember it says 0 elsewhere. So if it's not in between 0 and 1, then it has to be 0 anywhere else. So infinity would not work. What they're actually telling you is if it's greater than or equal to some number, they're just telling you it starts from that number and finishes exactly where it's supposed to finish, which is 1 in this case. So basically they're saying it's from 75 to 1. Basically, that's what they're saying. So it's like the probability that x is between 0.75 and 1. That's what they actually mean by x is greater than or equal to 0.75. And that would be equal to 0.0625. So guys, this is the example for today. I hope you guys understand, and please practice more, because those are not, you cannot remember them just by one practice. You have to keep on practicing them so you can fully grasp them and understand them better. I hope that actually helped you guys. Other than that, I thank you for watching this video, and have a good day.